Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to get QR code on Monzo app. So guys, after some search on the community on Monzo, I found the simple steps. So guys, to get QR code, open your Monzo app, log in your app and look for payment option. And from payment option, you see an icon located on the top. And after that, scan QR code and you can get paid by QR code, or you can click on request guys, request of payment. As you can see here, you can click on request of payment and then you can get QR code from a request payment, and after that scan your QR code. And then this is how you can do guys. Just go to your payment and look QR code, and then you can scan your QR code easily. From here, as you can see here, people are find different QR code on community, and this is also screen. This is from request of payment guys. As I say, go to payment and request, you can scan and you can get your QR code easily. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon.